nice and warm in the UK, and I decided to fry my fish outside because I don't like frying fish in my house. It leaves a smell. So join us as we cook some fish and fry some festival outside. this is my snapper, fried snapper fish, Jamaican style. I'm serving it up with some festival and some salad from my garden. I got some rocket from my garden. I made some old style pickle with some chocho, some carrots, my red onions, some scotch bonnet pepper and pimento seed, and I spice it up with a little bit of salt, a bit of sugar and some vinegar. If you want to know how I make it, you can ask and I'll show you, no problem. And it's really spicy, so you have to just be very mindful how much you put on your fish. It's really tasty, it's really good. It really adds flavor to the fried fish, and you add it to the fish when it's cold, because if you add it when it's hot, it will make the fish soggy. And that's a tip I got from my auntie Nell, so shout out to her. I hope you like my recipe. I hope you'll be trying this at home. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. God bless.